we did a high level presentation of the HR module. Now we will begin a detailed demonstration of what HR module has. It starts from recruitment up to separation. So we will enter some employees directly, our existing employees, and also post some jobs and carry out some recruitment for the employees. So let's dive in. So here I've logged in as a super user. I go to human resource. Then let's start with recruitment. So recruitment, always you post a job. Since we are looking at HR, so we will post for HR. So I come here. No departments found for the active business. Okay, please add a department. So I have to go back to the business settings. And which business is this? Data flow insights. Business settings here. So I will attend to data flow insights later. So let me add SmartBAS. So I'm going to add HR. So human resource description, I will say this department deals with human related human relations. Let me just say human relations. Okay. So there we go. It's been added. Okay. So now I need to add positions in this department. So I will add, because it will ask me to also add a position. So I'll add manager. Let me just say human resource manager. Let me say this position leads the human resource department. Okay, so I've added. Let me add another one. You can say human resource officer. This position, what do we say? This position manages day-to-day operations of the department. Okay, so there we go. Now, when we go back to human resource recruitment, post, why is it saying no departments found? If you remember, we added the departments to SmartBAS, not data flow insights. So data flow insights doesn't have departments yet. So let's go to SmartBAS and go to recruitments. And yeah, there we go. So now I can select a department. It needed me to have a department. If I want to add another department, I can add from here. If I want to add another department and positions, instead of me going there, going forward, I can add from here. I don't need to go that side. So department, human resource. So we'll start with the senior position. Okay. So HR description, I'll just copy something from the internet. I'll just copy something from the internet. Let me just copy something from the internet. Human resource manager job description. Okay. Just copy something for demonstration process. You could tailor this for your own business. Okay. You could tailor this for your own business. Right. So it's open. When is it? So say from now up to, let's say, next week. So we can say added. So there we now have a job that has been added. So we can view the job here. So this is what we posted. Okay. So this is just view only. Can't do anything. You can edit in case you want to make any changes. There we go. You can update here. There we go. You can even close the job once you've filled it in. Now that we have a job, you can filter here based on the positions. And the other thing is, if you're just working on the positions and you want to see clearly, you can do that. Okay. And we have positions here. Here we have the status. So we can view those that are paused, those that are open, like that. Okay. Then we can return this like that, or focus on it like that. Okay. So now that we have a job, now we can post candidates. Okay. Those who've applied for the jobs for that particular job. So we can enter the candidate details, and as you can see, the job title is already captured there. We can enter those that have applied. So I will pause here and meet you in the next video so that it doesn't become too long.